Hi guys! So for today's Halloween makeup, I am readdressing one of my old videos, and it's the Wilhelmina Murray video. I did it years ago and I was like, maybe I should try doing it again, see how much I've improved over the years. And this is what came out. It's so much better than years ago, because it was cheap it was like I was just I was a newbie and all that, but this is so much better. I can really see that all my makeup techniques have improved, so I really know what I'm doing now, and it's such a gorgeous gorgeous look. You can even wear this for every day if you like, because it's so simple and it's easy to do. So if you want to see how I do this Wilhelmina Murray look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get on with this. So obviously priming with the Master Prime by Maybelline, the pore minimizing one. There we go, and then I'm just going to put it on my face. Concealer, the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C1. This has slowly become one of my favorites, along with the Full Coverage Concealer by, what is it, NYX, which is my holy grail. But this is getting close to take that concealer spot. Just gonna blend out with my foundation brush by BH. This is the easiest thing for me. I can't make it work with my sponge, weirdly enough, but that's how it is different from person to person. For foundation, I'm taking the First Base Stick Foundation, also by Makeup Revolution, in F1. This is such a lovely creamy formula. So I'm going just not for so many stripes on my face, because when it comes to period makeup, there's not a lot. I'm going to use my beauty sponge for this. Just blend it out. It's going to let the foundation do its work, and then I'm just going to set my brows off camera. So I'll be right back. And now to set the foundation, I'm taking the NYX HD Finishing Powder and my powder brush by Real Techniques. I'm just going to do the right side of my face, and then I will be back. There, right side done. Very simple actually. So now it's time for the right eye. I'm going to prime my lid as usual. Pardon me. Got the hiccup, burpees, whatever you want to call them. It's like it's a hiccup, but it's actually a burp. For this tutorial, I'll be using my Urban Decay Naked Original palette. It's so sad that it is discontinued now. Now, I'm taking my crease brush and I'm taking Naked. As you can see, I haven't hit pan on none of these shadows yet. And this I'm applying in my crease. I'm actually applying it over a few times, because on the photo of Winona Ryder, that was it. That was playing Wilhelmina Murray. She is actually quite extended out, and it's visible, the crease color. Because it is very clear in the photo that I've watched already. You know, when she's typing on that typewriter, you can see the crease color. I think we're there now. I'm also going to apply it on my lower lash line. Taking my shading brush by Real Techniques, I'm taking Virgin. And I'm applying that to my lid. It makes the eye look very big and and open, like a doll eye actually. I'm just going to blend. I'm taking an angled eyeliner brush by BH, and I'm taking Dark Horse for my lower lash line. So you can see I am applying it very close to my lashes. It's all about that appearance of making the eye look bigger. Just gonna keep my brush, blending it a bit. Using the same eyeliner brush, I'm taking Creep, and I'm applying that on my top lash line to make my eye, to make it look more natural with the line, with the eye line. Because you can sort of see also in the movie that there is sort of like a black line. It's very subtle, and that's eyeshadow. It's basically just eyeshadow. Very close to the top lash line. Now my lashes look bigger. Then as a finishing touch is obviously the highlight, and I've browsed through some of the photos, and she actually has a very blinding highlight on the eyes and also on the cheek in one point. So I'm taking my Mary Luminizer by the balm and my angled shadow brush by BH. I'm applying it to my brow bone. Just a blinding highlight. So we can easily say that Mina Murray, Mina Haga, she is ahead of her time with the highlight. And then for eyeliner, I'm taking my NYX Slide On eyeliner in jet black and lining my top waterline just to make my lashes look even bigger. And then on my lower waterline, I'm applying my Sephora Long Lasting eyeliner in Infinite Beige. And then I'm curling my lashes and applying the Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara. And no lashes needed because it's period makeup, no fake lashes. So that's what I'm going to do. Now moving on to the rest of the face, I'm taking my NYX blush in taupe just to have a little bit of my contour because it looks like that. And I need to contour because I have a big forehead. I need to make it look a bit smaller. And then for blush, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush Palette in Hot Spice, and Mina Murray has a very healthy flush, so we're taking this one. In camera it looks very, very orange, but it's actually a very gorgeous, healthy pink color. So, very natural flush, healthy flush. And then for lipstick, in the picture it looks like she's wearing such an orangey nude, and I took two of my NYX matte lipstick out. One is in Couture. This is actually more of a pink, and this is more of an orange, and this is actually a #1 in the matte lipstick series, so we're taking this one. It's actually suitable. It looks very orange here, but it looks different on the lips, so on with this. You know what? This makes me look quite washed out, so I think I'm going to go with Couture instead. So BRB. Alright, back again. Let's try with Couture instead. That's a pink undertone. Much better. And now we're done with the Wilhelmina Murray look. I just put my hair up in a clip because that's we see her when she's riding the typewriter. She has her hair really back. And yeah, my hair isn't brown like hers, so we're gonna live with this reddish blonde that I have. So yeah, actually it's much better with Couture than nude. So much better. I really like this look. It's just I like when I readdress one of my old looks, and so this is actually much better. I can see I've improved a lot, and this is so much better, so much better. Yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, so remember to subscribe, comment, and like this video if you liked it. It really helps me a lot, and then you can follow me on all my social medias, and then I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye!